So what is brand strategy? Some people think brand strategy is some weird thing, but it's actually a framework. It's actually a mindset. It's a guide. It's actually going from A to B. Usually when I work with clients, what I do, I help them unravel their thoughts and put it out plainly in order. And I help them understand what they're thinking, and who they're targeting, and what their brand is, and their values, and their ideas. So that's the key with the brand strategy. It acts as a guide for your visual identity. It's so important that you have a brand strategy because it helps you understand your users. It helps you understand what are your goals, what's the purpose, what's your vision, as well as who am I targeting, what's going to be the most efficient thing to improve the business now, what's my positioning, what's my value proposition. All these questions are some of the questions. And one of the good things is that we always do a brand strategy before we start any project or any visual identity, because the brand strategy is the framework that we use, that we reference. It's our reference point because we want to make sure that we're accomplishing our goals. It's not about subjectivity, it's about being objective and having a target and reaching that target and desired results so you can improve your business, have more time for your family. So yeah, that's what a brand strategy is. Hope this was insightful and look forward to the next video.